Affiliate marketing is an old but very trending marketing strategy of earning a commission by promoting the products or services of another individual or business. TikTok. TikTok is the newest platform on this list, but it isn't the smallest. It has over 700 million active monthly users, beating platforms like Twitter, Pinterest, and Snapchat. SEO. It's estimated that Google processes over 40,000 searches per second, equating to trillions of searches per year. Twitter. If there's a worldwide event, a new movie or a funny meme, you can bet that Twitter is the first to hear about it. This platform only has 262 million users, but it's one of the most active places on the internet. Instagram. With 1 billion monthly users, Instagram has become a type of virtual living room the whole family can hang out on. The platform, from young tweens to moms, dads and even grandmas. Pinterest. Pinterest looks like a social media platform but acts like a search engine. Its 320 million users come to its doors in search of inspiration and information to pin to their virtual vision boards. YouTube. YouTube is the second most popular search engine after Google. And you don't have to be an entertainer to make money on YouTube. Reddit. Once known for being a nest of gangly gamers, Reddit has become a premier place to search for honest reviews and information. LinkedIn. If you're only using LinkedIn as a digital resume, you are missing out on a blue ocean. Although 700 million people have accounts, only 1% of users regularly post on the platform. Email. The biggest upside to this platform is that you own your email list, so you make the rules.